Hello to all my friends out there. So now it's time to start eating all that food I bought. We're having a little meal soon. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is brew a little ginger tea. And I heard this is good for gout. So, you know, if it's good for gout, most likely it's good for anything. I mean, wouldn't you think? With lemon. I buy these at grocery outlet for $1. Let's see, 40. So I think it's a good deal. It's not as cheap as 100 for $1, but you get all. It's got, I think, yeah, it's got mint, ginger, peach, jasmine, chai tea, and green tea. And then, you know, lemon and apples. So you get a nice little assortment. So the first thing I want to do is brew some tea. Okay, then we're having some salads. Okay, salami and cheese. If you buy these, it's a bit expensive. But if you make your own, it's not expensive. I bought the cheese and the salami at a Dollar Tree. So these will taste... Look, these will be good on my salads. Dollar Tree. Sometimes I cut them in squares. Dollar Tree. They have them for a really good price at Walmart as well. Okay, and then remember the 3-pound bag of apples. $1.99 at 99 cents only. Okay, I have 6 apples, and I just want to put a few raisins and some walnuts on top. And then I'll put them in a pan, and I'll add a little water, and I'll bake them 350. I'll cover them, bake 350, so we can have some fruit. We're not big on fruit, but I made mention if you put a little more work into your food, you get more, and it's probably better. Okay, when I went to Smart and Final, that's where I got this raw sugar. But if you don't have raw sugar, you can use, and I bought some good walnuts at Smart and Final, but they have walnuts at Dollar Tree. I bought these raisins at Dollar Tree. Okay, so we're having some fruit. And then it's time to start eating the chicken. Okay, I'm lazy, so I will drizzle my chicken with oil. I will sprinkle on this barbecue sauce. Barbecue seasoning. And voila, we're going to have some chicken and salad. Today is a veggie day, so I have to be careful. And then when I was at Smart and Final, I bought these cookies. So, you know, when they're just about giving this stuff away, you know, this is $2. That's the time to buy. Okay, so, let's see. Let me get these open and I will tell you. Now, if they're stale, if they taste like crap, I'm going to tell you guys. We eat a lot of cookies. You know what we're doing now? Chess. We're obsessed with chess videos. If you don't have Smart and Final, buy cookies at Dollar Tree for $1. Okay, now I want a little chat on... You know, I became aware that some of my customers were a tiny bit sick. Okay, a couple times I have been really, really sick. I mean, sick enough to die. That's sick. So what I did, you have to eat to survive. I mean, you're not going to get well if you don't eat. It's that simple. So what I did is I had 1 cup milk. If you don't want milk, there's soy milk, there's almond milk. When I was really sick like that, there was no soy milk and almond milk. Cottage cheese, yogurt, one cup vegetable broth, chicken broth, or beef broth, or chicken noodle soup. I couldn't handle tomato soup when I was really, really sick, but that would be good. In my family, we had, you heat the milk, and then you have one piece of bread with butter, and you pour the milk on top with salt and pepper. That's good for the milk. And then 1 cup vegetable juice, or else cook your vegetables and mash them with a fork, or eat vegetable baby food. Same thing with the fruit. Applesauce, you know, those small containers of applesauce, all kinds of sauce. You know, I even had mango sauce, strawberry sauce. Back in the day, they didn't have those. And what was the 4th thing? I'm forgetting. It's very important. Vegetables, fruit. Oh, that's the 4 things. Vegetables, fruit, and if you can, take a multivitamin. That will really help. And you might be saying, well, and then as soon as you can, try to start eating a turkey sandwich, half a turkey sandwich. And you might be saying, I can't eat all that. I'm too darn sick. Well, what I did is I just put it by my bed, and I would somehow eat it before the next meal. And then, you know, lunch same, dinner the same. Try to drink plenty of water. I would try to make my husband drink orange juice, you know, for the juice. Also, pineapple juice. They have pineapple juice. Also, some of the fruit has pineapple juice. So, okay, you guys, and if you're very, very sick, you know, the best thing is, when I was very sick a couple times, it was really bad because who was going to take care of my poor son? So I prayed to God that I would somehow survive. Okay, you guys, I'll be back with some salad and chicken, and God bless you all. And if you're sick, and we don't know it, at night I pray the blood of Jesus on my followers. I have no shame about that. You know, for each and every one of you, I ask no accidents. I ask God provides. And if you're sick, you know, get in a positive environment. But just know, no matter how bad it is, you're never by yourself, because God is everywhere you are. And so, okay, you guys, God bless you all.